hit her from the back in the onesie. You know, all my nigga, they concrete. 17 when I served my auntie. Back then, it was not chosen lunch meat. You know, I can turn the kitty pot ugly. Hit on dice, now I'm starting to feel lucky. But I still keep the tools in my custody. They say I'm too quiet, they don't trust me. If it get too loud, I start busting. I'm doing fine, but she can get ugly. She say I'm fine, she thinking about fucking. Pull up, I'd rather see ass and nuts. I just might pour a deuce in your cup. I just might take you out for a blunt. I don't mean be mean, bitch, I'm just blunt. Like an interview for that cash, I'm up. It's going down if this bitch get up. This backwood got a nigga ass stuck. My nigga the woods, nigga, shut up. You a tattletale nigga, talk too much. Remember you in school, nigga took your lunch. I'ma make my moves when I'm in the crutch. I'ma shoot my shot, young nigga clutch. She know I'm a cool ass nigga. I don't fuck with no fool ass nigga. I can rest my tool when I'm with her. I might roll up op in the cigar. She tryna take my soul in the car. I get it in here, going by tomorrow. I was on the road trapping at the car. I need a little bit hook and play a part. She know I'm a cool ass nigga. I don't fuck with no fool ass nigga. I can rest my tool when I'm with her. I might roll up op in the cigar. She tryna take my soul in the car. I get it in here, going by tomorrow. I was on the road trapping at the car. I need a little bit hook and play a part.
Got a cheap price for the bowls, Kush pound for the low. In the kitchen, watch the dope get swole. Smoke back, get on step on my toes. Designer shoes, no Havana Joes. Burn them up like a Smoky Joe. Got a bitch, she from Village Joe. She buy me shoes and she give me throws. I run my dope out of dough. I run it up on the hoe. Stretch it out, step on the blow. I leave my prints in the snow. Dripping like a nigga fell off a boat. They paying ties to me like I'm the Pope. Back in, yeah, I'm hard on the hoe. Counting money till my fingers get so. I fell in love with the hundreds. Stick to my fingers like honey. Naked bitches like they Playboy bunnies. Did a whole beat, they go out the tummy. Why you grinning? Yeah, this shit ain't funny. The bitch pregnant, but I fucked on the stomach. Smoking medical, that shit get funky.
She know I'm a cool ass nigga. I don't fuck with no fool ass nigga. I can rest my tool when I'm with her. I might roll up op in the cigar. She tryna take my soul in the car. I get it in here, going by tomorrow. I was on the road trapping at the car. I need a little bit hook and play a part. She know I'm a cool ass nigga. I don't fuck with no fool ass nigga. I can rest my tool when I'm with her. I might roll up op in the cigar. She tryna take my soul in the car. I get it in here, going by tomorrow. I was on the road trapping at the car. I need a little bit hook and play a part.